Lifting water. The first upper body move in a Tai Chi form is usually lifting water. It's where the hands float up and then float down like a wave, is gently lifting them up and letting them float back down. So first we open the door, shifting our weight to the right. Lift the left heel over, down, 50-50, bottom heavy, top light. And the arms just float up, about chest level. And then the elbows, and then the palms, and then the fingers lead the way, sinking back down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Float. Sink. Flowing like water, moving like a wave. The wave is lifting and dropping your hands, floating up, floating down. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, your hands float up. Breathing out, your hands sink down. This is like something is lifting, something buoyant in the water, like a log or a ball. It's lifting your hands up. And then you can press it back down, and just as your body sinks back down. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. This is moving meditation, mindful movement, relaxed and focused mind, linking our breath to our motion. And we can turn this into standing meditation by stopping at the top, just relaxing, palms to the front, 10 fingers to the sky, shoulders relaxed, elbows down and relaxed. Quality over quantity. When you get tired or tense, just relax down, sink. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in, rise. Breathing out, fall. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Another standing meditation, we stop at the bottom. Just relax, relax, relax. Soften, sink. Mind calm, clear, tranquil. Just focused on this one thing. Then we can drop, sink, float, sink. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Floating up, sinking down. Enjoy. Now just follow me and link your breath to your motion. It means you don't have to be timed exactly like me, but when you inhale, your arms go up. Whenever you exhale, your arms go down. Link your mind, body, and breath to this movement. Enjoy. Enjoy your breathing. Enjoy your movement. Flow like water. Arms float down, relaxed. Weight is 50-50. Shift the weight to the right. Completely. Right leg is solid, full of the weight. We can pick up the left, pull it in, and down. Thank you for joining me today with Lifting Water.